If AnyDesk is showing the error status AnyNet unknown, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by connection problems, firewall restrictions, or antivirus software blocking AnyDesk from working properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to disable direct connections, allow AnyDesk through Windows Firewall, and turn off antivirus interference if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the simplest and most common fix, which is disabling direct connections in AnyDesk. Sometimes your firewall or router blocks the peer-to-peer connection between the local computer and the remote computer. When that happens, AnyDesk can fail with the AnyNet unknown error. Forcing AnyDesk to use its relay servers often gets around this problem and restores the connection. To do that, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once it loads, look for the Settings option and click it. Inside Settings, go to Connection, then click the Unlock option if the settings are locked. After that, go to General. Here, you'll see an option called Allow Direct Connections. If this box is checked, uncheck it. Disabling this option forces AnyDesk to route the session through its servers instead of trying to make a direct peer-to-peer connection. After changing that setting, close AnyDesk and test the connection again. If the error is still there, the next step is to allow AnyDesk through your firewall. Windows Defender Firewall or another security tool on your system may be blocking AnyDesk from making a stable connection. This is especially common on work networks, school networks, or any computer with stricter security settings. To check this, go to the search bar on your Windows computer and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it from the results. On the left side, click Allow an app piece or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Settings. You may need administrator privileges to do this, so if Windows asks for permission, approve it. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. Once you locate it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This allows AnyDesk to communicate properly whether you're on a home network or another type of network. After selecting both boxes, click OK to save the changes. Once that's done, restart your computer so the firewall changes can take effect fully. Now, if you still see the AnyNet unknown error, your antivirus may be interfering with the connection. Some antivirus programs are very aggressive and can block remote access tools even when they are safe. If that's the case, try turning off your antivirus temporarily just to test whether it's causing the issue. Open your antivirus software and look for the real-time protection or shield protection setting. Temporarily disable it, then open AnyDesk again and try connecting one more time. If the connection works after disabling antivirus, then you've confirmed the antivirus was the cause. In that case, you may want to add AnyDesk to the antivirus exclusion list instead of leaving protection off permanently. That gives you a safer long-term fix. At this point, one of these 3 steps should solve the problem for most users: disabling direct connections, allowing AnyDesk through the firewall, or turning off antivirus interference. If the error is still happening after all of that, double-check your network connection, restart both devices, and make sure AnyDesk is updated to the latest version. And that's how you fix AnyDesk error status AnyNet unknown. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more AnyDesk troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.